Tekmetric versus Shop-Ware. Which is the best auto repair shop software? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Today we're going to be putting Tekmetric and Shop-Ware head to head, two of the leading auto repair shop management systems. If you're a shop owner or a service advisor trying to decide which platform is right for you, this comparison will break down everything you need to know, from features and pricing to ease of use and overall value. Now let's jump in. What is Tekmetric? Tekmetric is a cloud-based shop management system designed for modern auto repair businesses. With Tekmetric, you can create and manage repair orders, perform digital vehicle inspections, send estimates and invoices, track parts and labor, and communicate with customers via text and email. You'll also be able to generate real-time performance reports. It's known for its clean interface, great customer support, and focus on transparency and efficiency. Now, what is Shop-Ware? Shop-Ware is another high-end cloud-based repair shop management platform created by a shop owner for shop owners. Shop-Ware features include workflow management for multi-user teams, advanced digital inspection and customer communication, real-time service advisor and tech collaboration, parts ordering integration, and customer self-authorization and online payments. It's built for shops that want deep workflow visibility and a premium customer experience. Now let's take a breakdown of the different features that both platforms offer. For instance, both are cloud-based, and when it comes onto repair order management, both offers that feature, and also digital vehicle inspections, both offer digital vehicle inspections. And when it comes onto customer communication, both platforms offer customer communication via text and email. Now when it comes onto workflow visibility, with Shop-Ware you'll be getting advanced live updates across different roles, while Tekmetric on the other hand offers moderate workflow visibility. And with estimate and invoicing, you will be able to create that on both platforms, and both also have built-in payments. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Tekmetric is praised for its simple, clean interface. It's very intuitive for both new and experienced shop users, while Shop-Ware on the other hand offers more depth in workflow management, especially for high-volume shops, but that can come with a slightly steeper learning curve. So if your team needs simplicity, Tekmetric would be a great option. If you want more workflow control and collaboration tools, Shop-Ware wins. So who is the ideal user? Well, I would say Shop-Ware is best for high-volume, multi-bay operations, teams that need deep workflow oversight, and shops that prioritize high-end client experience and efficiency. While I would recommend Tekmetric for general repair shops or shops focused on customer service and ROI tracking, and businesses that value ease of use and transparency. Now let's take a look at their pricing. With Tekmetric, as you can see right here, their pricing starts off at $199 per month, and it can go up to $439. With Shop-Ware, their pricing starts off at $249 per month, and it can go up to $799 per month. So, in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Shop-Ware if you're running a high-volume, team-based operation and need advanced workflow management, real-time team collaboration, and client-facing automation. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Tekmetric if you are a small to mid-sized shop wanting an affordable, easy-to-use, all-in-one solution that focuses on efficiency, clarity, and customer communication. So both are powerful, but the right one comes down to how your shop operates. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.